Assalomu alaykum. Hurmatli o'quvchilar, o'rganuvchilar, obunachilarimiz. 4000 Essential English Words kitobimizdan 15-bobda tekstiga matniga kelib to'xtagan edik. Bu matn nomi ko'rib turganlardek The Big Race deb nomlangan. O'zbek tiliga tarjima qilganimizda katta poyga, katta bellashuv, katta musobaqa degan ma'noda o'girib tarjima qilishimiz mumkin. Doimgidek o'sha matnni tarjima qilishimizdan oldin bu matnni inglizlarda o'qigan MP3 variantini eshitib chiqamiz va undan so'ng gaplarni birma-bir birin-ketinlikda tarjima qilamiz. Marhamat, eshitib chiqinglar mumkin inshaalloh.
The Big Race. A dog saw a group of animals cross the road. He walked over to meet them. "What are you doing?" he asked them. "I just sold them tickets to a race between the rabbit and the turtle," the duck responded. The dog was extremely excited. He felt fortunate that he happened to be there. "I don't have anything to do today," the dog said. "I want to buy a ticket too." The dog sat down to observe the race. It would be many kilometers in length. The rabbit and the turtle stood next to each other. They waited for the race to start. The dog wondered why the turtle agreed to run against the rabbit. Being fast was not a characteristic of turtles. The rabbit was going to win easily. Suddenly, the race began. The rabbit ran extremely quickly. The turtle walked slowly. After a minute, the rabbit looked back. He saw that the turtle was far behind him and was breathing quickly because he was so tired. The rabbit smiled and slowed down to a walk. A minute later, the rabbit said, "I'm winning, so I'll take a rest." He sat and began to consume some grass. Then he let his eyes close. He wasn't the winner yet, but there was no risk of him losing the race. He went to sleep. Hours later, a loud sound woke him. All of the animals were talking loudly and looking at the field. He felt fear for the first time. The turtle was almost at the finish line. Now the rabbit realized his mistake. But the race was over. He gave the turtle an opportunity to win, and the turtle took it. The duck handed the turtle his prize. It was the happiest day of the turtle's life. The dog was happy for the turtle. "He isn't fast," the dog thought, "but he tried his best and did something great."
Hop, mana ovozli MP3 ni ham eshitib ko'rdinglar audiosini. Hop, endi gaplarni birma-bir tarjima qilamiz inshaalloh. Birinchi gapda aytyaptiki, a dog saw a group of animals across the road. Ya'ni bir it kuchuk o'sha yo'lning narigi betida, yo'lning u betidagi bir guruh hayvonlarni ko'rib qoldi, deyapti. He walked over to meet them. Ya'ni u o'sha it kuchuk ularni oldiga ko'rish uchun bordi, deyapti. What are you doing? He asked them. Ya'ni o'sha it kuchuk ulardan so'rayaptiki, nima qilyapsizlar deb. Ya'ni it kuchuk ulardan nima qilyapsizlar deb so'radi. I just sold them tickets to a race between the rabbit and the turtle. The dog responded. Ya'ni o'sha yerda turgan bir o'rdak bor ekan, o'sha o'rdak javob beryaptiki, men ularga, ya'ni hayvonlarga aytyapti, men ularga quyon va toshbaqa o'rtasida bo'lib o'tadigan, ya'ni quyon va toshbaqa o'rtasidagi musobaqa, bellashuv, poygaga biletlarni, chiptalarini sotdim, deyapti. Ya'ni o'shana deb javob qaytardi o'rdak. The dog was extremely excited. Ya'ni o'sha it kuchuk juda ham xursand edi, deyapti. O'sha it juda ham xursand edi. Nihoyatda, bag'oyat xursand edi. He felt fortunate that he happened to be there. Ya'ni u o'zini o'sha yerda bo'lib qolganligidan, o'sha yerda tasodifan ya'ni kutilmaganda bo'lib qolganligidan baxtiyor edi, xursand edi. Ya'ni o'zini o'sha omadi bor deb his qilgan edi, deyapti. Fortunate ma'nosi o'sha lucky degan ma'noda. Hop, keyingisi. I don't have anything to do. I don't have anything to do today, the dog said. I want to buy a ticket too. Ya'ni bugun qiladigan ishim yo'q. Men ham chipta sotib olmoqchiman, dedi it. The dog sat down to observe the race. It o'sha poygani kuzatishlik uchun o'tirdi. It would be many kilometers in length. Ya'ni o'sha nimada, ya'ni uzunligi bo'yicha uzoq, ya'ni ko'p kilometrligida. Ya'ni o'sha poygani aytayapti, poygani aytayaptiki, o'sha uzunligi bo'yicha ko'p kilometrlik. Ya'ni ko'p kilometrdan tashkil topgan bo'ladi, deyapti. Hop, the rabbit and the turtle stood next to each other. Ya'ni o'sha quyon bilan toshbaqa bir-birini yonida turdi. Ya'ni yonma-yon turishdi, deyapti. Yonma-yon turishdi. They waited for the race to start. Ular o'sha poygani boshlanishini kutishdi. The dog wondered why the turtle agreed to run against the rabbit. Ya'ni o'sha it nima uchun toshbaqa quyonga qarshi, ya'ni o'sha quyon bilan bellashlik uchun quyonga qarshi yugurishlikka rozi bo'lganligiga hayron qoldi. Being fast was not a characteristic of turtles. The rabbit was going to win easily. Ya'ni o'sha tez bo'lishlik bu o'sha toshbaqalarning sifatlaridan emas, toshbaqalarning xususiyatlaridan emas. Quyon osongina yutib qo'yadi-ku deb o'yladi-da, o'sha nima? It kuchuk. Xo'p, endi bu qissalar bilasizlar, ertaklarda ham bizda ko'p multfilmlar sifatida ham multfilm qilib ham qo'yib bergan. Bu ham mana inglizlarda mashhur bo'lgan nimalardan ekan mana. Suddenly, birdan the race began. Ya'ni o'sha poyga boshlandi. Musobaqa bellashuv boshlandi. The rabbit ran extremely quickly. Ya'ni quyon o'ta tez, nihoyatda tez yugurib chopib ketdi. The turtle walked slowly. Toshbaqa esa sekin yurardi, deyapman. Toshbaqa esa sekin yurishni boshladi. After a minute, the rabbit looked back. Ya'ni o'sha 1 daqiqadan keyin, ya'ni 1 daqiqa tez chopib ketgandan keyin quyon orqasiga qaradi. Ketiga qarasa, he saw that the turtle was far behind him and was breathing quickly because he was so tired. Orqasiga qarasa, o'sha toshbaqa ancha uni ortida ekan, ya'ni quyonni ancha orqasida qolib ketgan ekan. Va u shunaqangi rosa charchaganligidan, hop, tez nafas chiqarayotgan, tez nafas olayotgandi. Ya'ni hansirayotgandi demoqchi-da. The rabbit smiled and slowed down to a walk. Ya'ni o'sha quyon kulib qo'ydi-da, jilmayib qo'ydi va o'sha piyoda yurishlikka tushdi. Ya'ni o'sha piyoda yurishligi uchun sekinlashdi. After a minute later, ya'ni 1 daqiqadan keyin, the rabbit said, I'm winning, so I'll take a rest. Ya'ni o'sha 1 daqiqadan keyin quyon o'ziga o'zi aytayaptiki, nima bo'lganda yutaman. Shuning uchun men dam olaman, deyapti. Men yutaman, deyapti, o'ziga ishonyapti. Katta ketyapti, ya'ni o'sha toshbaqani nima qilyapti? Underestimate deydik, ya'ni toshbaqani mensimayapti. Pisand qilmayapti, past baholayapti. O'shancha aytayapti, nima bo'lganda yutaman, keyin undan ko'ra bir dam olay, deyapti. Hop, he sat and began to consume some grass. Ya'ni u o'tirib, mana shu quyonda aytayaptiki, o'tirib, ko'kat yeyishdi, mana bu o'sha o't yeyishni boshladi. Then he let his eyes close. Ya'ni keyin uni ko'zi ketib qoldi, deyapti. Ya'ni o'sha ko'zlarini yopilishiga qo'yib berdi, deyapti. Bu degani nima degani? Ko'zi ketib qoldi, ya'ni. Hop, he wasn't the winner yet. U hali nima emas edi? U hali g'olib emas edi. U hali yutmagandi. Hop, ya'ni o'sha nimani finishni oxiriga yetib bormasdan, kesib o'tmasdan turib, dam oldi-da, o'tni yeb, uyquga ketib qoldi. But there was no risk of him losing the race. Lekin aytayaptiki, o'sha poygada yutkizib qo'ygan, ya'ni o'sha quyonda aytayaptiki, poygada yutkizib qo'yishlikda riski yo'q edi. Poygada yutkizib qo'yishlikda xatari, xavfi yo'q edi hali. He went to sleep. Demak, u uyquga ketdi. Hours later, bir necha soatdan keyin, a loud sound woke him. Ya'ni baland tovush uni uyg'otib yubordi. All of the animals were talking loudly and looking at the field. Ya'ni barcha hayvonlar baland ovozda gapirishayotgandi va o'sha maydonga qarab turishgandi. Maydonga, ya'ni o'sha chopish maydoniga, yugurish maydoniga. He felt fear for the first time. Quyon umrida shu birinchi marta o'sha qo'rquvni his qildi, deyapti. Qo'rquvni sezdi. The turtle was almost at the finish line. Ya'ni o'sha toshbaqa Deyarli o'sha kesish borki, o'sha finish chizig'i borki, tugatish chizig'i. O'sha tugatish chizig'ida deyapti. Deyarli o'shanga yetib qolgandi. Now the rabbit realized his mistake. Endi esa o'sha quyon o'zini xatosini tushunib yetgan deyapti. O'zini xatosini payqab tushunib yetgandi, payqab qo'ygandi. But the race was over. Lekin poyga esa tugab bo'lgandi. He gave the turtle an opportunity to win, and the turtle took it. Ya'ni quyonda aytayaptiki, u toshbaqaga yutishlik imkoniyatini berib qo'ydi deyapti. Yutishlikka imkon berib qo'ydi deyapti. Va toshbaqa esa uni oldi deyapti. Yutishlikka imkon berdi, toshbaqa esa uni oldi deyapti. The duck handed the turtle his prize. Ya'ni o'sha o'rdak toshbaqaga o'zini sovrinini, yutug'ini tutkazdi, berdi. It was the happiest day of the turtle's life. U toshbaqani hayotining eng baxtli kuni edi, eng xursand kuni edi. The dog was happy for the turtle. It kuchuk toshbaqa uchun xursand bo'ldi. He isn't fast, the dog thought, but he tried his best and did something great. Ya'ni o'sha it kuchuga aytdiki, u tez emas dedi. Ya'ni o'sha toshbaqani aytayaptiki, it o'ylagandagi tez emas. Normalda, ya'ni odatda u tez emas. Lekin u bor kuchini, bor g'ayratini sarfladi. Ya'ni qo'ldan kelgan eng zo'r ishni, qo'ldan kelganini hammasini bajardi va nimadir bir zo'r ishni qildi deyapti. Ya'ni qo'ldan kelgan barcha ishni qilib, zo'r bir ishni bajardi, uddasidan chiqdi, ado etdi deyapti. Matnimiz shundan iborat edi. Tarjimasi shu, asosan ma'nosi. Inshaalloh tushunarli bo'ldi degan aytaman. Inshaalloh endi kelasi darsda 16-unitda ko'rishguncha deb qolaman. Salomat bo'linglar.